using our aloe vera gel. This is the one we cut into pieces. This is the one that we're blending. Kaze everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for watching and welcome to my channel. Over here we do DIY skincare products and soap, handmade soap making and other entrepreneur series, because I do run a small soap business. Well, it's no longer really just a soap business. I do other skincare stuff like face masks, oils and stuff like that. So it's a skincare brand and a skincare business. So we're gonna go ahead. So earlier today I washed my hair with aloe vera gel shampoo, all natural, made with aloe vera, neem oil, peppermint essential oil, tea tree essential oil for bacteria, and what else did we add? We added a little bit of grapefruit seed oil for a natural preservative, because I don't wash my hair quite often. I wash it once a week, so adding that grapefruit seed oil is gonna extend the shampoo that I made for at least a month. So I'll get like 4 washes from it. So I also do wash my daughter's hair with this same shampoo. So I'll go ahead and it's probably not gonna last a month because I wash someone else's hair with it. So I wash my daughter's hair with it, so it's probably won't last that long. But anyways, let's go ahead and do the conditioner. So the conditioner is we still had our aloe vera. This is blended, and we strained out the, oh, so watery, I love it. So we strained out all the little bits and pieces because we don't want any bits and pieces into our hair. Excuse my hands, I'm gonna put a little bit of aloe vera on it because it's a little ashy. Anyways, we went ahead and added, yeah, aloe vera is really good for both skin and hair. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and do our moisturizer. I won't make much because I only make it as I need it. I have quite a lot of hair to go through, so we're gonna go ahead and use this much. And in this, we're gonna add, we'll start with the peppermint. We're gonna add peppermint essential oil, just a few drops, honestly. Ooh, I probably need a paper towel here. So yeah, peppermint. And then I'm gonna add jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is also good for hair as well as skin. So basically anything that's good for your skin, because we are focusing on the scalp, just add it to that. So I'm eyeing everything actually, so you can just add as much as you need, as oily as you want it to be. I'll probably come back and add more. So we have like it's like a little circle, see? Anyways, it's like a little circle here. So we added our jojoba oil, and as you can see, it took the other space because aloe vera is mostly water. So we're just gonna add, black castor oil, the one from the glass. I wouldn't recommend using the castor oil that's in plastic container. I'll recommend the glass container. So for this one, you can add as much oil as you want, honestly, because we want it to be as moisturizing as it can be. So I'll probably use this for my daughter's hair too. Let me just add a little bit of black castor oil there. Again, I'm not measuring because it's based on how much oil I just really need. So there we have it. That's what we got in there. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it with my comb instead of mixing it with a brush. I mean with what is it called, with a spoon, or so yeah. So that's what we got in there. See if you can see. Yeah, that's what we got. There it is. So we're gonna go ahead and actually do our hair today. We're just doing a protective style. I'm gonna be just like I'm gonna be what's it called? I'm gonna be twisting it into one big chunk. Well, not one big chunk, but it will be a lot of chunks. I'm saying the size of the twist is gonna be pretty big. So I'm gonna take my glasses off first of all. So I'm parting it right now. This is I'm just eyeing it. I don't really want the part. I'm not trying to get the parting to be perfect. So yeah, this is the hair. So the reason why I used my comb to mix this stuff, because I'm actually going to be using it a lot. I'm going to be using it a lot to just dip it in there and then comb my hair. This will add a little, it will like penetrate the oil into your skin. Oh, and it just like, I added just a little bit and look at me. I'm already like, it's already, make sure you focus on your scalp when you're doing oil, when you're oiling something. Just that much. Focus on your scalp. Make sure you massage your scalp. Get the other hair out of the way. And then just comb through. You see how easy it is to comb through? Like I didn't even have to struggle combing through. And then I like to use my brush. I'm also gonna dip it in the oil. I'm gonna also dip it in the oils. I like to use my brush to just give it a little bit more, get a little bit more detangled. So that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and oops. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just twist this one that I just did. Sometimes I like to just what's it called? Sometimes I like to just do the, what is it called? I don't know what it's called, but it's another braiding style. I don't always twist it, but I'm trying to get this curve pattern. That's why I'm twisting it this time. And every time I use aloe vera, I like to twist it, because when you untwist it to style your hair, it just gives it a little bit more of like, I don't know, texture and a little more volume. So that's that. So we'll just get this one right here. We're gonna go ahead and do the other one. So we're just gonna do the whole head until we're done. Again, dip the brush into the oil and then detangle it. Start from the bottom when you're detangling, and make sure your hair is a little bit damp. Make sure it's not dry. And I'm gonna get a little bit and just put it on my scalp, and then brush it a little bit, and then we're gonna start braiding. Okay, let me just pull this up. We're gonna start braiding. So just, I like to focus on the root. Make sure the root is tight, because when you twist your hair, sometimes when you twist your hair, the root is always, if you're doing it on your natural hair, it always comes out a little bit looser than the other ones. So it's best to like really focus on the root and make sure it's tight. We're just gonna do that for a while. If you don't know how to twist your hair, then you can just, I don't know, I'm not sure what to tell you if you don't know how to twist your hair. But that's that. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole head like this, so I'll come back when I'm done. like to like kind of twist it, and it makes this really beautiful curl at the end. The other one, I just want to show you. Alright, so we're all done. So this is the hair, guys. We're all done with our this side is already like drying up a little bit because I did it first. And then this side. So yeah, we're all done. This is our luscious oh wow, it's already like drying up. It's so quick to dry. So instead of using water to damp your hair and like braid it, I like to use aloe vera gel because it also adds a little bit of nutrients to the skin, to the scalp. I have a lot left over that I'm gonna be using for my daughter's hair, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of the oil and the gel on like the middle part. Let me turn around so y'all can see. Yeah, so this is my protective style. I'm not really going to untwist it unless I'm going somewhere that I need to untwist my hair or make it look good. So this is it. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna let it dry up a little bit. I'm not gonna put any hair wrap or anything in it, so I'll just let it dry up a little bit, and then after it dries up, I'll go ahead and put like a hair wrap or something to just keep it nice and protected. So yeah, just make sure you get the scalp. It's really important if you're trying to get like a new growth. Yeah, this is all. And then you can just untwist it when you want to style it, like those little curl. Like if you want to style it, just untwist it the next day, and then boom, you have some luscious hair. I'm not going to style it, so I'll just leave it like this. But yeah, that is all for my natural conditioner, leave-in conditioner. This really helps with like straightening the hair. Make sure this prevents like breakage, and it also helps with thickening the hair. And the peppermint really helps with like getting the nutrient like the castor oil, the jojoba oil into your scalp, so it kind of opens up your hair follicles so that you're able to receive whatever nutrients you're putting into your hair. That's why I add peppermint oil into my hair conditioner. And it also just smells good, black castor oil doesn't really smell that good, to be honest. So the peppermint essential oil kind of adds a little nice refreshing scent to it. That's why I use the peppermint essential oil as well as using it for opening up the hair follicles so that your hair is able to receive the nutrients. But yeah, that's all for my video today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Amahoro.